everyone, and welcome back to another episode here at Ask Melrish. And today we'll be talking about video marketing and the secret sauce on what will make your audience hit the like button and share your video. And that secret sauce is storytelling. And how do you come up with a good storytelling? The roadmap is script writing. Let's face it, pointing a camera at yourself and talking about your product, or pointing the camera on your product and adding some cool music is not enough. It's not enough to keep your audience glued to the screen and prevent them from swiping up. How can you prevent someone looking at your feed from swiping up? Today we'll be discussing that and sharing those tips, so stay tuned. What do you need to make sure that your audience stay glued on your video to keep them watching? You need a compelling narrative. Today we'll be talking about a compelling narrative, how to create an intriguing hook, and how you can make your video engaging with these tips. Make sure you grab your metaphorical pen and paper, take notes, and let's dive in. Now today, let's talk about scripting 101 for your video marketing. Why do I need to have a good script? Do you need to get a certain degree? Do you really need to go on a course for copywriting or script writing? No, you don't have to, because we're not writing a Shakespearean sonnet. You just need a basic roadmap to help you get focused and to keep your videos focused, so you don't go on the sidetracks and then talk about other topics. Like if you're talking about video marketing, then let's talk about, the time that I bought shoes, or the time that I ate in this restaurant. Keep your video focused, and script writing will help you do that. So what is the foundation of a good video? It is the hook. Not that hook. So what is a good hook? A good hook is something that will keep your audience from swiping up. So make sure that you start your video strong, and this will all depend on how strong your hook is. Ask a question, state an interesting fact, maybe a statistic or something. Like, one of the hooks that makes my children watch a video is 5 exciting things about something, or 10 things that you should do before you do this. So those are exciting hooks. Immediately state the fact. Immediately talk about what your video is all about. Don't say about, hi, hello, good afternoon, and today I'll be talking about blah, 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 and you know what, blah, 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 I had this lunch. So these are not related to the video. People have attention span of a goldfish, and to make sure that they don't swipe up is for you to state the hook quick and fast and state what your video is all about. You can also talk about a relatable anecdote, because when you talk about something that interests your audience and it is something that's relatable to them or solves a problem that they have, they'll think, whoa, I need to watch this video. So they will stay glued to this video and continue to watch your video. So once you have hooked your audience with your compelling question, with your compelling intro or story, now it's time to talk about your video's hero. Whoop, it's not you or your product, it's your audience. Your audience should be the protagonist of your video. Talk about the challenges that they face, talk about the problems that they have that you can help them solve, because you are the guide, and your audience should feel that they're the hero of the story and you're just there to help them solve their own problems. Why? Because people love to feel that they can see themselves on the screen. They want to feel the video is very much relatable to them. Talk about their desires, the challenges they face, and make it really relatable. Talk in their lingo. Use music that they can relate to, and talk about certain scenarios that they experience. And you don't want your script to sound like a sales pitch. Really, not everyone likes being sold to. So make sure that you talk about your product's benefits and features by relating them to how your audience, your hero, will use these features to benefit them or solve their issue or problem. But of course, whenever you talk about benefits and features or not selling, remember, try as much as possible to create a script that doesn't sound like selling, but talk about the problems you provide to solve their problems, and use humor, use personal stories, use testimonials. Make sure that the video that they'll be watching is something that they will like, something they will remember, and something that they will share. Finally, after creating a compelling hook, after delivering a story that's relatable to them, that solves their problem. Now, don't forget your call to action. I have seen some video ads that doesn't have a call to action. They just end with the video ending, but there's no call to action, and that's a fail. So make sure you have a call to action. Visit the website, subscribe to this channel, ting, ting, and share this video. If you're creating an Instagram reel or a TikTok reel, you can ask them to follow you or share your video, and ask them to comment on your video, because comments push engagements, and engagement will help your video move up to this thing called algorithm that no one can solve. Engagement will still help your video become viral. Make sure that you squeeze in everything you want to talk about in that video, but again, reminder, don't talk about all the topics that you want to answer. Choose one topic and focus on that on your Instagram reel or TikTok. So once you have done your quick hook, once you have delivered, so once you have written down your strong hook and your compelling narrative and your call to action, guess what? You're ready to share those videos. So I hope this episode has helped you today to think about how you will plan and write script for your videos, and I hope this video has helped you create a roadmap when creating your videos. And after you have created your script, make sure to start filming, because if you just write it down, it won't go on any platforms. So if you like this video and if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button below and to subscribe to our channel for more.